trouble keeping track of her.
Wasn't Jenny? Jimmy's gonna wonder why I got a picture of a whole other. It's okay.
Is that her? No, that's the one with the weird hat. There have a lot of them with white blankets. There we go. I am the worst photographer.
I keep losing on the crowd.
There's too many horses in this one.
Some of us aren't as tall. I just decided I'd start taking indiscriminate pictures of the shit goes on.
Where'd she go? I think that's her mother.
I haven't seen her in a while, but
She's gotta be here. She's got the white blanket. There she is, all the way at the end. You do realize that there's voice recording on this as well. Okay, now she's gonna come our way.
Insistent on turning early
because we're distracting her. Because we're distracting her. I don't want to distract her.
He wanted us to take pictures.
Oh, she's in the sun. She's in the sun. She's coming around the unwindable corner. And she'll be in our vision soon.
Oh my God, I give up.
There we go. Now I got her. Sorry, Jenny, I know I'm the world's worst videographer, but I'm really trying. Okay, I can do this. I can follow you. You have a white blanket. Go ahead, Tari. Atta girl. Oh, she's in the sun. I'm like, I lost her again. I had her. I better have the right person. I can't see on this little screen. Yeah, I know. It was way harder than I thought. I probably distracted her. I feel bad. Oh, I like to watch her stand. Maybe she'll get a good shot.
Yes.
Oh, she got fit.
That's a big clap.
That's awesome.
It asks us not to clap. It does scare the horses.
So we didn't distract her.
Yes. Well, we may have. She may come in first if only we.
If only we hadn't sucked at being her videographer. Is that what you're saying? I think I took a picture of the wrong horse again.